Hi friends, welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing someone very special from the sea. She's pink, she's friendly, and she loves to dance with her family. It's Mommy Shark. We're going to have so much fun drawing and coloring her, and while we do, we'll learn some fantastic shark facts too. And hey, if you love drawing and learning with us, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Okay, as we start drawing and coloring Mommy Shark's big smile and her fin, let's talk about real sharks. Did you know there are over 500 types of sharks in the ocean? Whoa! Some are huge, like the whale shark, which can grow as long as a school bus. And some are teeny tiny, like the dwarf lantern shark, which can fit in your hand. What color would you make your shark? Pink like Mommy Shark? Or maybe rainbow? Let's imagine Mommy Shark is swimming through the ocean, looking for Baby Shark. "Baby Shark, where are you?" she sings. Then she spots a trail of bubbles. Pop, pop, pop. That must be Baby Shark's bubble trail. She zooms through the coral reefs, past sea turtles, and oh, there he is. They do a happy shark dance together. Can you wiggle like a shark? Now here's something silly. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years. That's even older than dinosaurs. And here's a funny fact. Some sharks can glow in the dark. Imagine if Mommy Shark could light up during dance time. Also, did you know sharks don't have bones? Nope, their bodies are made of something bendy called cartilage, just like your ears. What do you think sharks eat? Yep, fish, squid, and sometimes even seaweed snacks. Awesome pink Mommy Shark. Doesn't she look fantastic? Real sharks come in all kinds of colors: gray, blue, even white with spots. But our Mommy Shark is the star of her own song and dance. Can you remember one cool thing about sharks we learned today? That's right, they don't have bones. They've been here forever, and some even glow. friends, we did it! We finished our colorful, smiling mommy shark. And we learned so much about real sharks too. If you had fun drawing and coloring with us, give us a big, fantastic thumbs up and hit subscribe so we can draw and learn again next time. Bye for now, friends. See you in the next adventure.